today has been notably across northeastern Scotland and across the southern half of England and Wales, with a temperature of 16 degrees. But this central region has seen a lot of cloud and wind and rain spilling eastwards as the day has gone along. Some particularly wet weather at the moment down the eastern side of northern England. The wind blowing across the Pennines has caused a standing wave, and that means to say that band of rain is hardly moving at all. So it really is a pretty miserable evening over in many eastern parts of Yorkshire just at the moment, and there's more rain still to come throughout this evening. It's also due to a warm front, of course. That's the system that's bringing this rain across northern parts of Britain at the moment. But the high pressure across the south means a good deal of fine settler weather to come for the next 2 days. That's how the chart will look by lunchtime tomorrow. Another pulse of rain coming down across Scotland and Northern Ireland by that time. So a fine end to the day up in the far northeast of Scotland, and so some evening sunshine to enjoy in the south. But outbreaks of rain will spill across the North Midlands, into Lincolnshire, East Anglia, and a little bit into the southeast as well as we go through this evening and overnight. Temperatures tonight, they're holding up very well with the breeze in these central areas, the cloud coming across. Does mean to say that most places staying about 9 or 10 degrees, possibly down to 7 in parts of the south and 5 degrees up in the Northern Isles. But we'll start pretty grim, I think, on Friday morning. Many places will stay damp for a little while in the beginning part of the day. But there'll be some sunshine across the south coast, some brighter weather breaking out here and there. But come the afternoon, I think we will find much brighter skies, lots of sunshine developing then across the south and east of the country, all the way up into southeast Scotland. We should see some sunshine. That'll leave northern and western parts of Scotland, around the Irish Sea, into parts of Northern Ireland, rather cloudy and drizzly, some longer spells of wet weather to come through the afternoon. And temperatures reflected there. We're going to see temperatures of about 19 degrees possibly across the southeastern quarter, but much nearer to 12 degrees in those damp areas of the Western Isles and Western Scotland generally. Well, over the weekend we'll find this weak system coming southwards across the country. It'll still be pretty warm on Saturday across much of England and Wales, but the colder weather is returning once again. You can see how the wind switches around more to a northerly for the second half of the weekend. It does mean to say we'll see a few patches of rain coming south across England and Wales on Saturday, but still some pretty reasonable temperatures at 16, some heavy showers following to Scotland, and then a few showers moving south on Sunday. That's it from me.